So I thought I'd shoot a video showing how I change out my water stations in the coop. I have two water stations that I use. One is a winter station that keeps the water from freezing in the winter, and the other is a summer station that allows for continuous water flow to the water station. So this is the winter station. You guys may have seen videos in the past on this on my channel. If not, I'll have a link up in the right hand corner for you to take a look at. I'll also leave a link as to how to build this if it's something that you're interested in doing for your ducks or your chickens. It works really well, and it's very, very cheap to do. It doesn't require any electricity to keep the water from freezing, so it has done very well for me. I've used it for 2 seasons now. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. I'm going to move to this station here. This is my summer-fall station. Basically comprises of a 13-gallon plastic drum made of HDPE food-grade plastic with some holes cut into it, a frame, and a metal pole to keep it held in place and also allow me to spin it to empty it when I need to. It also has a flotation device inside of it, which I don't know if you can see that really well. It's right there. That flotation device basically will cause the water that's going inside the jug to stop at a certain level, so I won't get overflow. But anyway, I'm going to put this where this is. I'm going to show you what this looks like when you pull it out after a season so you can take a look at it. Incidentally, I have also shot videos of the ducks using this, and I will also provide you a link on how to build this. This is a great design that I've used for at least, I used it all last season. I think I made it last season, so this will be my second season with this. But this worked out really well, providing ducks continuous water, so they have lots to drink and lots to dunk their head in. We're going to go ahead and change these stations out. Be back in a second. That's what it looks like when it's removed from the sand. Basically, it's a couple jugs, 5-gallon Home Depot jugs, that are attached to two 2x4s, both parallel and perpendicular. I put these in right here to basically provide some more stability when I put the sand on top, so this doesn't move, because you want these to stay level in the sand throughout the season. And this is the hole with the frame. Now, a couple things when doing the frame. Of course, you want to make sure that the frame is level. You can do that by just basically putting a level over the top of these two poles. That's the first thing. You want to make sure your frame is level. The other thing you want to make sure is that the holes for the station are the proper height for the sand level, because you want it to be up enough where they can get their heads in to drink and dunk their heads, but not too far up where they can't reach it. So kind of that Goldilocks theory. So you got to make sure that whatever depth you put this in, you correct for the final height compared to the level of the sand. Incidentally, as you may have guessed, you basically only need 2 tools to do this. One is a shovel and 2 is a level. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and level this out, get it at the right height, and be back in a sec. So I've got the right height here, and I've got it leveled. You can see from the bubble. So it is now time to start filling in sand. As you fill the sand in, you want to pat it down with your foot to make sure there isn't any settling later on. Also, you want to make sure that the bed that the frame is sitting on is patted down as well. So I'll go ahead and fill this in with sand. So we got the sand on top. Kept it level the whole time, so we're now ready to hook up the spigot and begin filling it up. So I lied, there actually is 2 more things you're going to need to put this together. You'll need some Teflon tape and an adjustable wrench. You want to make sure that you put on some new Teflon tape on that thread so that when you torque it down with the adjustable wrench, you don't get any leaks. So I'm going to go ahead and hook the hose up and turn the water on and show you it filling up. So after you hook the spigot up, you turn it on, fill it up, and looks like the ducks remember it because they're going right to it. The last part of the setup is that basically you have to make sure that you set the float that's inside the jug to the right height so that it doesn't overfill. After that, and I still got some fine tweaking to do. You can see a little bit of water dropping out there. I don't think that's the ducks doing that. But after you adjust the float to the right height, you should be good to go. And that's a continuous water station. I'll have this going on all the way till probably the end of October, November of this year. That's it. Thanks. Bye.